Hi, I'm Meredith, and I am doing a review of a product sent by Amazon and our sponsors. And I'm going to cut the package open to see what's inside. And this is a daily power scrub facial. This is clean, organic men's face wash. This has 2 ounces in this container. The ingredients are distilled water, vegetable glycerin, diethylglycide, sugar sulfate. This is organic, and it is to be used on your face as a face wash, so that way you can wash your face in the evening time and then go to bed with a refreshing, soft feeling face. This product has an exhilarating smell, and it smells like orange peel and lavender, and that's one of the ingredients. Those are a couple ingredients that's also in this product. And I will be washing our model's face, and we were going to tell you exactly what it feels like and smells like. There are little granulars in here, and that is like the scrub that will scrub the face to get all of the dirt and any grime that you got on your face. And it doesn't take much. This product is very gel-like, but it's got the scrubbing beads, and it will exfoliate your skin. It is fantastic smell. And it lathers up really well.